Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fix the issue where Google Chrome automatically opens when you start Windows 11. I will go through several solutions step by step. You can try them one by one until the problem is resolved. For the first solution, open the Start menu and type Settings. Click on the Settings option. Once in the Settings menu, find and click on Accounts. Inside the Accounts section, select Sign In Options. Look for additional settings in this section. Under Additional Settings, ensure two options are turned off. The first is Show My Account Details such as email address on the sign-in screen. If it is on, turn it off. The second option is Use My Sign-In Info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Turn this off as well if it is on. Once these settings are adjusted, close the settings window and restart your computer. This might fix the issue. If the problem persists, move on to the second solution. Open Google Chrome. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, find and click on System. Under System, you will see an option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure this option is turned off. Close Google Chrome, restart your computer, and check if the issue is resolved. If Chrome still opens automatically, try the third method. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, click on the Startup tab. Here, you will see a list of startup applications. Look for Google Chrome in the list. If it is enabled, right-click on it and select Disable. Close Task Manager and restart your computer. This should prevent Chrome from starting automatically. If none of the above methods work, there is a final solution you can try. Open the Start menu again and type Run. Click on the Run option. In the Run dialog box, type Shell Startup and click OK. This will open the Startup folder for your Windows 11 PC. If you see Google Chrome listed in this folder, right-click on it and select Delete. Close the folder and restart your computer. This should solve the problem. By following these methods, you should be able to fix the issue of Google Chrome opening automatically when Windows 11 starts. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.